spells. to make your own fenugreek spray, I used fenugreek, aloe vera and glycerin to give it added moisture. One thing I have to say is that if you don't like maple syrup kind of smell, you're not gonna like it because it smells so yummy, but everybody is different. I like it. I don't know about you, but it's amazing. The smell is amazing. It has this natural gum feel, so it adds moisture and also prevents the loss of moisture from your hair. Like I showed you guys, I just used this as a liquid and then sealed it with oil, and my hair is looking fly. My spritz is kind of jelly like, I think, but if you don't want it as jelly like as mine, you can add more water after it has soaked, after the fenugreek seeds have soaked for more than 12 hours or overnight, or you add more water after straining it. So but I like mine like this because of it has that natural gum, like as if it contains guar gum or xanthan gum. So I really like it, and it leaves my hair feeling soft. It also makes it easy to detangle, so I like mine like that. That is how I like mine. Fenugreek is rich in protein to help to fight baldness, helps to prevent thinning of the hair, it helps to prevent frizz, it contains nicotinic acid which encourages hair growth, it helps to add shine to your hair, it contains potassium which helps to fight graying of the hair, it contains lutein which helps to energize the hair follicles. It also is great in fighting scalp infection and dandruff, so you get a bumper package with this sprays. And then the aloe vera also has antibacterial properties, antifungal properties, it also has moisturizing properties. And glycerin is an optional ingredient. You can use you might not use it, but I like it, my hair likes it. If your hair doesn't like vegetable glycerin, please feel free to remove it. So people don't add aloe vera, but I love aloe vera in my hair. You know I love aloe vera in my hair. You know my hair loves aloe vera. But so if you don't have aloe vera juice or anything, you can just soak the fenugreek seeds in water and you will be fine. Remember to keep it in the fridge, and remember to also use it within 7 to 10 days. So please remember to do small batches at a time. You might not add a preservative if you're keeping it in the fridge, but once I have to keep something for more than 3 days, I like to put preservative. Just call it the microbiologist in me. I just like it. I just want it in my DIYs, so I tend to add preservatives once I know it's going to last more than 3 days. So, and that's all about this amazing spray. It will help your hair from thinning, it will help your hair from shedding, from falling, and give your hair the chance to be full. For people like us that have fine hair and thin hair or scanty hair, it helps to at least let us retain that hair growth that we are having. So I hope you guys liked today's video. I hope you give it a thumbs up. I hope you've subscribed. If you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing and click on that bell notification so that you're notified anytime I upload any video. And hope to see you in my next video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.